Hey babes, thanks for tuning in today. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So today I'm going to be using Cuban twist hair. You can use the Equal brand, the Shake and Go brand, or you can use the Model brand. I'm also using black rubber bands. Now, this style is trending all over social media, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. I tried to find so many videos with this style, and I feel like it's kind of a hard thing to grasp. So I decided to go ahead and make my own video and show you guys what helped me. Of course, I put my own spin on it, which you should be doing anyway, with any style that you achieve. I mean, you do what works best for you. What works for somebody else might not work for you. So as you can see, I am pre-parting her hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how I get into the twist.
My heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love.
Now that I am done sectioning off all of my hair, in this corner section, I'm going to separate the hair into two different sections. I am using a tapered comb, and I use this comb when I'm doing my starter locks and my retwists. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab up the hair and I'm going to twist it with the comb and then secure it with a metal clip. I don't do my invisible locks like flat twists with my fingers. I use the comb because it's just much more easier that way for me, and it's quicker that way for me instead of trying to get a perfect twist with my fingers. As you can see, I'm pulling up the hair together, and then I'm going to twist, and make sure that I'm wrapping the hair over so that it doesn't get tangled, and I'm going to secure with a metal clip. Now you'll see me doing that throughout the whole head. I'm going to be using the same method, making sure I'm securing with a metal clip so that it doesn't unravel. And when I start the twist, I am going to be starting the invisible lock. Sorry. When I start, it's basically a twist though. So, I mean, there's nothing that's lock about it. They're twists. So what you're going to do is start with your client's hair, or start with your hair, twist your hair together. I'd say about 2 good times. Make sure it's tight to the root. And then you're going to feed in the Cuban twist hair. I'm only using 1 strand when I'm starting the twist. And as the twist starts to thin out, or as the lock starts to thin out, you can go ahead and feed in another twist. So as you'll see here, I started her twist by wrapping with her hair, and then I went ahead and fed in the Cuban twist hair. And then I'm going to start wrapping with the Cuban twist hair, making sure that it's secure at the root and that there isn't any unraveling. These twists can be pretty tricky to do. I don't think that this style is for any texture because, they might unravel. Like they're very hard to do. I'm not gonna lie. Like I had some trouble with it. I know some other clients. Other stylists who have had trouble with it unraveling and stuff, especially if you're trying to do the flat twist method, which not everybody can do. That's why I'm saying get your comb and twist with the comb. I'm telling you, it's gonna make a huge difference. In the back, when I fed in that second piece of Cuban twist, I had actually cut 1.5, and I'm only using the 16 inch. You don't need to use the 24 inch because you're definitely going to, feed the hair in to expand the twist so that it gives you that tapered look, that like retwist look, that small at the root, and larger at the bottom type of look. And as I get to the top of her head, I'm using whole pieces of Cuban twist hair. I won't be cutting any hair. I'm only doing that in the back because it's shorter in the back, and as you get to the top of the head, you'll be needing longer lengths of hair. And all I'm doing is I twisted it all the way down, I folded it up, and then I wrapped to create a lock knot, and you secure with rubber band. I mean, it's super easy once you get into it. I really, really, really think my method will help a lot of people, because that flat twist method just was not working for me, especially because, I have my nails done also, which I'm sure a lot of stylists have their nails done also. And I just never been the girl to be able to do a flat twist. Like it was just too complicated. And I felt like it wasn't turning out how I wanted to, how I wanted to turn out. Like it was really loose. It wasn't cute at all. So I'm telling you, use that comb, like grip all the hair with that small corner of the comb, and then twist, secure with the clip, and do the other side, secure with the clip, and it makes it so much easier. I'm not gonna talk throughout this whole tutorial. I feel like I've explained pretty much everything so far. You can see what I'm doing. You can see, I've added, a ton of product. You definitely want to use a lot of product, but not too much. If your client's hair is on like the softer side, you want a good amount of product so that the twists stay and that everything is nice and sleek and giving that fresh retwist, fresh 2-strand twist look. As you can see, I'm gripping up the hair with the small part of the comb. I'm folding over, twisting over, and then I'm going to secure with the rubber band. And you'll see me doing this method throughout the rest of this tutorial. Please comment down below and let me know if this tutorial helped you. Please comment down below and let me know if you're going to go ahead and try this style. Please be sure to tag me on all social media platforms. Also, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers. We are at 1K subscribers, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much. I'll be back towards the end of the video to talk to you guys a bit more. Thank you, babes. Before we get, a little bit further, I also wanted to mention, as I am twisting the locks, I am twisting the hair also. I hope I am explaining that properly. So I'm not just wrapping them together. I am twisting each individual strand as I am wrapping. If you don't do it this way, it won't look this way. It'll just look like you wrap the hair together and it won't be giving what it's supposed to give. You got to remember that you're doing twists. So with twists, you have to be twisting the hair so that it is twisting. You know what I mean? I hope I'm explaining that properly, but basically, yeah, that's what you want to do. And as you're twisting, it will get tight at the root. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when the twist or the lock settles, it will give what it's supposed to give. So yeah, I'll be back, at a different section of this video to give you guys some more tips and snippets.
like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say,
Thank you all so much for staying tuned and watching the whole video. I greatly appreciate you and I'm very thankful for you. If you could please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to let me know if this tutorial helped you. And also tag me on any social medias if you do